We are heading into Lone Pine. That's pretty cool how it runs through the rock.
That is cool.
That's hilarious. This is why I got waterproof shoes. I just walked through it.
Yeah. I'm like, we'll close it down and it's... Oh, I like my rock.
Those weren't rocks, those were cow patties. This is really beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
Isn't it? Trying to cross. It's obviously a little dicey on that end. So we're gonna come around here. I'd say go down this little peninsula here. Yep.
It might be narrow there.
We got the most lucky hitch in the world. All of us are going to be able to fit in one hitch, and this guy just asked if we wanted to ride. What's your name? Matt, thank you. This is awesome. But at the moment, we are heading to a hotel room that we are all going to cram in, which will be fun. And then head back out in the morning. We're going to do laundry, resupply, take showers, do all that fun jazz. So we are in the town of Lone Pine. We just stuffed our face at that Alabama Hill Cafe, and oh my god, was it good. Highly recommended.
Still super cheap for what, $30 an hour?
Us poor hikers can afford it. So it makes it fantastic. Here's the moment of truth though. Oh, my backpack is too wide for the haul.
There's room.
Oh, look at, we're home. This is nice. we could fit like 18 people on here.
Right. There's two here,
Two
four.
here.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Bathroom.
This is a no-brainer.
Oh, there's even a sink out here. That's nice.
It's designed for hikers. John Wayne is kind of a big deal out here. Some pretty cool drawings and photos. Maybe I should add one to the wall. Pretty cool. Interesting things around here.